Someone recently inquired, what's the real difference between an asterisk operator and the product function? Well, this is the difference. Let me show you what I mean by that with an example here. Let's say, for example, if you have to multiply these three numbers here using the asterisk operator, what you do is say equal this one, asterisk that one, asterisk that one, and hit enter. You'll get the answer of 36. Likewise, if you have to use the product function, you say equal product. First argument will be this, comma, second, comma, third argument, and close parenthesis and hit enter, and you'll produce the same results. Where the things start to differ is when you start to multiply big numbers. So if you were to use a asterisk operator, this is what it looks like. As you can see, to get the final result, there's a whole lot of typing that you're gonna have to do. But if you were to use a product function for a large number like this, all you have to do simply is say equal product, like this, same thing. The first argument would be the actual highlight of the whole series of number that you want to multiply, like this, and then close parenthesis and hit enter, and it will give you the final answer without those laborious typing.